No, I'm already in. All right, court's on the record, Commerce City Municipal Court for April 29th, 2021. For the people on Zoom, please leave your devices on mute. When I call your name, I'll ask you to unmute your device. If you have not watched the advisement of rights video, it's important that you do that now before I call your case. For you in the courtroom, when I call your name, I'm going to ask you to come forward to the station. While you're at the station, I just need you to speak loudly and clearly. One of my responsibilities today is to make sure that everything that you say gets properly recorded. After you're done, I'll direct you to see my clerks in the lobby. Their windows are located to the left once you've exited through the double doors at the rear of the courtroom. When you leave the courtroom, you do need to go out through those double doors, but you do not need to go out through the metal detector. Just go to the left before you get to the metal detector, and that'll get you to my clerk's windows. All right, on the record regarding Jonathan Pastrana, it's case number 297362. If you would come forward to the number station 1. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, back on July 29th of 2020, you pled guilty to a traffic offense. At that time, I imposed a fine of $400, suspended $200 because I ordered you to do the Alive at 25 class. On September 16th, when you failed to comply with the class, I put an order blocking your ability to renew your driver's license and impose the suspended fine. What can I do for you?
I'm here to show that I have completed the Alive at 25 class.
Okay, have you turned it into my clerks or anything?
No, I showed them the paper, but they told me not to come in and talk to you.
Sure, hand it to my bailiff. Tear off the bottom parts of that. Is that the original?
Yes.
Okay, does it have the bottom 2 sections? Yeah, tear those off and give those back to him. I just need the bigger part, the top part. Mr. Gollin will do it, just hand it to him.
I'm a pro at this.
He went to law school and learned all of those secret tricks. All right, you'll hand that to me. Thanks. This I'll be keeping. Thank you. Okay, so you just completed it. All right, so what'll happen is I'm going to reduce the suspended portion of your fine. There's going to be an OJW clearance fee of $30. I'm going to resuspend $100 of the $200. So when you go to the windows, you'll have to pay $100 plus surcharges plus the $30 clearance fee. Then we'll remove the block that's against your driver's license. Okay? Do you have any questions?
No, no question.
All right, go ahead and go to the windows, see my clerk.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. All right, Lena Holman, go ahead and unmute your device. This is case number CM 302919. Good morning.
Good morning.
I have a document that alleges that on February 26th of 2021, at about 3:54 in the afternoon, in the area of 5990 Dahlia Street, that's the Walmart store located here in Commerce City, it's alleged that you committed the offenses of theft and trespass. Do you understand what it is you're accused of doing?
Yes, sorry. Sorry. Yes, sir.
Okay, what happened to your video?
There we go.
All right. The city attorney indicates that he reviewed the elements of the charges with you. That is, he explained what he would have to prove in order for you to be found guilty of these two charges. Did he review those with you this morning?
No.
Okay. In order to prove the elements of trespass, he would have to prove that on or about February 26th of 2029, at 5990 Dahlia, that you unlawfully entered or remained in or upon the property of another, or any portion of such property in violation of any notice, warning, or protest given either orally or in writing by the owner or manager or other authorized person of the property. That's what he would have to prove for you to be found guilty of trespass.
Okay.
That he reviewed these with you, but I'll go ahead and do them again. In terms of theft, on or about the same date, place as alleged in the complaint, that you knowingly obtained or exercised control over anything of another with a value of less than $2,000 without authorization or by threat or by deception, and intended to deprive the other person permanently of the use or benefit of the thing of value. This is what used to commonly be called shoplift. All right, do you understand what it is you're accused of doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before I forget, are you a member of or a veteran of the United States Armed Forces?
No, sir.
All right, the city attorney says you want the court to appoint an attorney to represent you in this case. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, give me just a moment. I've got a bunch of questions I need to run by you. Did you watch the advisement of rights video?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll need you to raise your right hand. You swear affirm under penalty of law that the testimony and evidence you provide to the court regarding your application for a court-appointed attorney will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. The address we have for you is at Leighton Place in Aurora. Is that still your address? Is
Yes, sir.
that a house? Is that a
Sorry.
house?
Yes, it's my parents' house.
Okay. Do you have any ownership interest in this house?
No, sir.
Do you have any ownership interest in any real estate of any type?
No, sir.
All right, the phone number we had for you, the last four digits are 0965. Is that the phone number still the same?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and is that a cell phone?
Yes, sir.
Are you single, married, separated, or divorced?
Single.
Okay, do you have any children?
No, sir.
Okay, are you currently employed in any way?
No, sir.
How long has it been since you've been unemployed?
March of last year.
Are you currently receiving any type of unemployment compensation benefits?
Yes, sir.
What kind are you receiving?
Unemployment.
Okay, how much is that per month?
It's $4.55 a week. So that's just because they have like the extra $300 thing right now.
Right. All right, do you own any automobiles?
No, sir.
Do you have any interest in any financial transaction devices such as savings bonds, treasury bonds, or retirement plans?
No, sir.
Are you receiving any type of social security disability income?
No, sir.
Are you receiving any additional public support like food stamps or Medicaid?
No, sir.
And so the people that are helping support you is unemployment compensation and your parents, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, are any other adults living in the household besides you and your parents?
No, sir.
Okay, so the total number of adults in your household are 3, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you know how much longer you're going to be receiving unemployment compensation?
Um, it is on my unemployment website, but I can't remember the date off the top of my head. I think it might be October of this year.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Oh, you qualify by $130 a month. All right. Okay, I'm gonna appoint an attorney to represent you.
Okay.
I'm gonna put the attorney in contact with you. Give them your cell phone number.
Okay.
I'll set you a new court date. When you leave the meeting, my clerks are going to give you the notice of the new court date and time, okay?
Okay. Okay.
It's going to be in approximately 30 days. Hopefully, the attorney will contact you before the next court date. If not, they will contact you. We can put you in a breakout room at the next court hearing, okay?
Okay. Sounds great.
All right. They may not reach you, my clerks may not reach out to you today because they have to contact the attorney from our list. And
Okay.
then, so they'll definitely get with you by tomorrow. Send you an email by tomorrow. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, all right, then you are free to leave the meeting.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
About the time I get good at that is when we'll stop doing it. It's easier when it's a packet. When it's one page is the key. It's all the paperwork I have. Oh. All right, Shayna Connor, you can go ahead and unmute your device.
Sir,
All right, it looks like on April 15th, you took care of a ticket, and fines and costs totaled $159 that's due today. It's my understanding that you wish an extension, is that correct?
yes, Your Honor.
Okay, normally what I would do, and I would have done then, is put you on a payment plan of $50 every 2 weeks. Is that something you can do, or do you just need a little bit more time to pay it in full?
I just need a little bit more time to pay it in full. I know for sure I'll be able to pay it next week on Thursday.
Oh, okay, well, that's not a problem. All right, so today is the 29th. You're fairly sure you can pay it on the 6th, is that what you're saying?
Yes, Your
Okay,
Honor.
I'll just give you till the 12th, just to be safe, okay?
Oh, okay, thank you so much.
So I'm gonna give you an extension to pay it in full until May 12th. My clerks will reach out to you by email either today or tomorrow, just showing you the new due date, okay?
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor.
Okay, you can leave the meeting.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so the code for this one would be, in terms of the ROA,
Oh, extension EXT.
okay. I thought he wanted me to do it as an order.
Oh, yeah. You could put order.
Yeah, but-
That's what it would be.
Right,
We could extend.
right, you guys, but for me, to enter it, granting the extension, I didn't bring in that sheet that
Yeah,
told me
so it would be order and then that's.
I know, but do you
It'll
know,
drop down. It'll give you options. There you go.
that's not it. That's not it.
There you go. Or the last one, enter. There you go. And then you would just put,
Yeah, I'll bring it. This morning was just tough because I was behind.
I'm like, you went too fast, but I saw. a piece, so I was like, yeah, but you can just go to the bottom. Whenever I look at my pin, it usually goes to the bottom.
Okay, so that's all the people I have, and these two weren't even on the docket.
No, that's that.
All right, well, I'm gonna go right now, since we have a minute to go get the codes on the other.
Yeah, and there's somebody for 10 o'clock. I don't know. If somebody-
So I'll be right back. I'm also gonna fill up my water because it's almost, so I'll be back in just a second.
Hi, are you Ruben? Okay, perfect. You guys watch the video? Okay, the city attorney should be with you guys shortly.
That was silly. It's an order,
Oh, yeah.
so I just have to, he showed me what the code is. So. You said we don't have anybody else signed up for Zoom?
No, sir.
All right, I'm gonna turn,
Or